Every time you open Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube, the content you see is not random. It is carefully selected by something called an algorithm. In this lesson, we'll understand what social media algorithms are, how they work, and why they play such a powerful role in shaping what we see online. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how algorithms function behind the scenes. We'll explore how platforms personalize content, how this affects your experience, and how these systems influence society as a whole. Understanding algorithms is the first step toward becoming more aware and intentional in your digital behavior. Let's start with the basics. An algorithm is simply a set of instructions or rules that solve a problem. On social media, algorithms analyze massive amounts of data, such as what you click, like, watch, or ignore, and then decide what content to show you next. Their goal is simple: keep you engaged for as long as possible. Personalization in social media. Social media platforms don't show the same content to everyone. Instead, they personalize your feed based on your behavior and preferences. If you watch cooking videos, you'll see more cooking content. If you interact with political posts, your feed may start showing more political content. This personalization makes the experience feel relevant, but it also shapes your perception of reality. How feeds are personalized. So how exactly does personalization happen? First, platforms collect user data, including your interests, demographics, and browsing habits. Second, they analyze your engagement history, what you like, comment on, share, or watch, completely. Third, they consider your social connections, showing more posts from friends, family, or accounts you frequently interact with. All of this data works together to create engagement-based amplification. Another important concept is engagement-based amplification. This means content that gets more interaction, such as likes, comments, or shares, is pushed to even more users. The more engagement a post receives, the more visible it becomes. This creates a cycle where popular content becomes even more popular, regardless of its accuracy or quality. Examples of engagement signals. Algorithms measure engagement in many ways. A like shows quick approval. A comment suggests deeper interaction. A share indicates that someone found the content valuable enough to promote. Watch time, especially for videos, tells platforms whether content truly held your attention. Each of these signals helps algorithms decide what deserves more visibility. The attention economy. This brings us to the concept of the attention economy. In today's digital world, your attention is a valuable resource. The longer you stay on a platform, the more advertisements you see, and the more profit the platform generates. In this system, your time and engagement are essentially the product. Impacts of algorithms on society. While algorithms improve personalization, they also have social consequences. They can create echo chambers, where you mostly see opinions similar to your own. They can form filter bubbles, limiting exposure to different perspectives. Over time, this can increase polarization and divide communities. Understanding this impact helps us use social media more consciously and responsibly.